So today we are going to solve few questions on area and perimeter. Let's start with question number 5. Sorry, question number 5. The question says that the area of a square park is the same of a rectangular park. If the sides of a square park is 60 meter and the length of the rectangular park is 90 meter, find the breadth of the rectangular park. So the first thing it says that, let me start with them. So the first thing it says that if it is a square park and it's a rectangular park, now the area of this square park is equals to the area of this rectangular park. The second thing, it's given that the length of one side of the square park is 60 meter, whereas the length of this rectangular park is 90 meter, and you have to find this breadth. So what we can do, the first we have to find the area of this square park. So area of the square park, we know that area of square, that is equals to A into A, that is side into side, and that is nothing but 60 into 60, and 6 is a 36, and these two zeros, this meter square. So area of this square park is 3600 meter. Now ATQ, according to the question, area of square equals to area of rectangle. If the area of square equals to area of the rectangle, then area of rectangle, we know that area of rectangle equals to length into breadth. Now what is the area? That is 3600, and that is equals to length. Length is given as 90, and its breadth is, you have to find out the breadth. Next, B, that is equals to 3600 divided by 90. So 1 0 cancelled. This will be 4. So this is nothing but 40 meter. So breadth of this park, rectangular park, will be 40 meter. Okay. Next we comes to question number 7. Question number 5 done. Question number 7. Question number 7 say the perimeter of a rectangular is itna, and the breadth of the rectangle is itna. Find the length and also find the area of the rectangle. So first is given the perimeter. So for perimeter of a rectangle, that is equals to 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, so it's given that its perimeter is 130, so 130 centimeter, and that is equals to 2 into length is given as, the breadth of the, breadth is given, so length we don't have, we have breadth. Now we can write it length plus breadth, that is 30, that is equals to 130 divided by 2. This is nothing but this is 65. So that length equals to 65 minus 30, and length is equals to 35 meter. Okay, so area will be, so area will be, area equals to 30 into 35. This one is breadth and this one is length. Length into breadth. The length into breadth, and that is equals to how much? So calculate 30 into 35. So 35 into 3, that is 105. Let's come to next question. Let's start with question number 6. In question number 6, it says that DL and BM are the height on side AB and AD respectively of parallelogram ABCD in figure 11.24, that is this. If the area of the parallelogram is this and AB is 35 centimeter and AD is 49 centimeter, that is AB, this one is 35 centimeter and AD this one is 49 centimeter. Okay, find the length of BM and DL. So for this we must know that what is the area of parallelogram. So area of parallelogram, that is equals to base into height. So this height is the perpendicular height. Now if this one is your base, then this one will be your height, and this one is your base, then this one will be your height. So it's given that the area is as 1470. Okay, so area is 147 centimeters square, and we know that for this one as a base, AB as a base, AB into DL. Now that is AB equals to 35 into DL, so 1470. So DL equals to 1470 upon 35. Now cancel these two. 1470 divided by 35. 1470 divided by 35. So after cancelling, we have 42. So we have 42 centimeter as a DL. And similarly, second case, area of parallelogram, that is 1470 centimeter square equals to AD, that is the base, into height, this perpendicular height BM. This BM. Now we have AD as 49 into BM. We don't know BM, we have to find it. 1470 is the area, and BM equals to 1470 divided by 49. So 1470 49, that is nothing but equals to 30. So BM equals to 30 centimeter. Done. Next we goes to question number 7. Now in question number 7, it says that ABCD is a right angle triangle, and in this figure AD is the perpendicular height to BC. Okay, AB is 5 centimeter and BC is 13 centimeter, AC is 12 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle and also find the length AD. So first it's given that 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter, AB is 5 centimeter, AC is 12 centimeter, and BD is 13 centimeter. So we have to find this one. Okay, so first we have to find that which one is perpendicular and which one is base. So if I consider this triangle ABC, now as I can say that AC is perpendicular to AB. If I say AC is perpendicular to AB, then AC is your perpendicular and AB is your base. So area of triangle equals to half into base into height, that half into base is 5 into 12, cancel, that is 6, and it will be 30 centimeters square. So area we have 30 centimeters square. Now we can see this triangle in other perspective, that 1 by AD is your, okay, so 30 centimeters square, and now in this part AB, this AB is your, AD, this AD is your perpendicular and BC is your base for this case. Now for case 2, area of triangle, what is the name of the triangle? That is ABC. Okay, so ABC, area of triangle ABC, we have the area that is the same, that is 30 centimeters square, and we have again the perpendicular, we don't know the perpendicular, so we leave it as first half into base is 13, and we have the perpendicular that is 13. So base 13 and perpendicular is P. So we don't know, so let it write as 80. Okay, now again solving, let's take 2 onto the another side of the equals to, so we can write AD, that is equals to 30 into 2 upon 13. So this is nothing but 60 by 13 centimeter. Well, okay. Next, so here we are dealing with area and perimeter of a circle. Okay. So question number 13, a circular flower bed is surrounded by a path 4 centimeter. The diameter of the flower bed is 66 meter. What is the area of the path? It says that take pi as a 3.14. So as I already discussed that in the earlier video. Okay, the circular flower bed. So we can draw a circular flower bed, and this one is the bed. I mean circular flower bed. So this one like circular flower bed, and width is given as 4. Is 4. So it's uneven, but it's 4 for the entire width. Next, the diameter of the flower bed is 66 meter. What is the area of the path? So if the diameter is given as 66, so let's take the diameter. Okay, one second, the circular path 4 width and the diameter of the flower bed. Okay, so flower bed is inside this. So diameter is given as we already said, it is the line that passes through the center of the circle, that is 66. So radius equals to, 1 by 2 of diameter, that is equals to 1 by 2 of 66, that is equals to 33 centimeter. So radius equals to 33 centimeter. This one is your radius. So here we are considering two circles. This one is the larger circle and this one is the smaller circle. Larger circle, smaller circle. So the radius of the larger side, so that we represent by capital R, and small radius represent as small r. Small radius we already have, that is 33 centimeter, and larger radius will be 33 plus 4, that is 37 centimeter. Now area of circle. So area of circle equals to pi r square, and for area of circle, that is larger circle, so we can consider capital R. 22 by 7 into r square, that is 37 square. Okay, so on calculating we have pi into 37 into 37, that is around 4300 centimeter square, and again area of smaller, the area of the smaller, that is 2 pi smaller square, that is equals to 22 by 7 into smaller is 33 square. So on solving this further, that is pi into 33 into 33, we have that is equals to 3421, okay, centimeter square. So this is the value. Now what is the area of this bed? So that can I find by subtracting the area of larger circle to the smaller circle. Okay, so area I can write here, area of path, that is equals to area of larger circle minus area of circle. Area of larger circle, that is 4300 minus 3421, subtract, and this will be around 879. This will be your centimeter square. So this is your answer. Okay, so now comes to another question, question number 16. So question number 16 said, how many times a wheel radius 28 centimeter. So radius of a wheel, let's consider this one is a wheel and its radius is 28, okay, centimeter, must rotate to go 352 meter. We know that one rotation equals to 2 pi r. One rotation equals to 2 pi r. So it's given, it covered the length of this. So how many rotation it take? So let's find in one rotation how many distance cover. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 28. So cancel this. This will be 4, and this will give you as 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, and 176 centimeter. So in one rotation, if it's cover 176 centimeter, then 352 divided by 176, 352 divided by 176, that is equals to 2. So it complete 2 rotation. The complete 2 rotation will give me 352 meter of distance. This is meter of distance. Okay. So goes to another exercise. Now this exercise is important. Okay. Let's start with this question. Question number 10.1. Now it's given, find the area of the shaded portion. So we have to find this area, the shaded portion. So this is a kind of irregular figure. Now we have to make it a regular figure. Now in this figure, this big figure is a square, and in this square we have two small one and these two small triangles, and these are right angle triangles because this is a square. Now first area of this rectangle, this one is a rectangle, area of this rectangle, that is length into breadth. The length is given as 18 and breadth is given as 10. This value as it is without manipulating, so let the value remain as 18 into 10. Now second, area of triangle 2. The triangle 2 is given as half into, now base is, take base as 8, or either you can take is 10, so I'm taking 8 into height as 10. Now it will be 5, that is 40 centimeter. And third, area of triangle 1, that is again half into base. If I take base as 6 and length as a 10, so this one is 3, that is 30 centimeter square. Now we have to also multiply this, so it is 180 centimeter square. What is the area of this shaded portion? So area of this shaded portion can be written as area of rectangle minus area of triangle 1 added with area of triangle 2. So area of rectangle, that is 180 minus bracket area of triangle is 40 added with area of another triangle, that is 1, that is 30. Okay, on simplifying this, we have 180 minus 40 plus 30, that is 70, and finally we have 110 centimeter square. Now this is nothing but the area of shaded region, area of the shaded region. Fine, the shaded portion. Okay, so we do with another question number 11. Now it's given that this is one of the height onto this diagonal and this is another height onto this diagonal. Now we have to find out the area of this quadrilateral ABCD. So what will the area? We don't know, it's a rectangle or either it's a parallelogram, but I can observe that this quadrilateral can be separated into two parts, that is two triangles. This one triangle, this is another triangle. The triangle ABC and another is, we write here triangle ADC. So area of triangle ABC, that is equals to half into base is given as 22. So 22 into height is given as 3. So I can, if I cancel this, we have 33 centimeter. Again in triangle ADC, that is area of triangle ADC can be written as half into base is given as 22 into height is given as 3. So cancel this. We have 33 centimeters square. So the total area will be the adding of, so area of triangle ABC added with area of triangle ADC, add these two, we have 33 plus 33, that is equals to 66 centimeters square. Okay, now if you have any doubt, any question, any query, go to the description. There is a link follow that link, give your snap into that link, fill all those required element stuffs and send it to me. I will send the email to your